How to delete or remove your hometown from your profile Facebook. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First you will just go and open your Facebook. Then after this you will go here to this three line, click on it, and then go to settings. And after this on settings you have to go down to profile information, and then you will go to placed leved and to hometown. This is my hometown. Click here on this pane and then click here on this icon. Then as you see I delete it, and then I will click save and click delete, and that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.